Sorry guys, I know this has been a very hectic video, a lot of time lapses, not a lot of talking because I'm trying to get my work done as soon as possible. My friend just told me that there's opening tickets to Willie Nelson and Bob Dylan tonight, and so I gotta go. So I'm trying to get all my work done by 3, it's 12:55, so I'm kind of rushing this, just trying to get my orders out. I was gonna do an FBA shipment today, but that can wait till tomorrow. This is kind of once in a lifetime. Willie's getting old, same with Bob Dylan, and so I gotta go to this. So anyways guys, let's finish these up, and then at the very end of this video, we'll go over yesterday's revenue to show how much money we made. All right guys, so we are done with the video. I absolutely just killed it. I got all my work done. So now let's go over yesterday's revenue to show you how much money we made. Starting off with eBay, we made $47.92. On Amazon yesterday, we made $258.36 with a total revenue yesterday of $306, which is not where we want to be at. We want to be at $1,000 a day so we can hit that $30,000 mark. So we are almost at $11,000 this month. The month is almost over. It's unfortunate, but we are going to try to hit 30K next month. So if you guys aren't subscribed, please subscribe down below and make a video every single day until I hit 30K a month. And also, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm. It really helps me out and helps other people find my videos as well, just like you. So have a great rest of your day. I will see you all tomorrow. Peace out.